Avanade Advanced Business Insights. Agile businesses today modernize their ERP systems and leverage data and analytics to make quick decisions to drive growth. Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain enables businesses to build resilient and agile organizations. It is hosted on a robust Microsoft Azure platform and has the advantages of cloud computing. Businesses today face three issues. One, there is data overload. But there is also valuable data that exists in D365 Finance and Supply Chain. Two, the data exists in heterogeneous systems and silos. As a user, do you ever look at your financial data alongside your production flow output? 3. The data is not processed to generate the right insights. Specialized knowledge and skills to leverage the data is often hard to find. As a data user and a decision maker, think over these questions. Do you have access to all the D365 finance and supply chain data to derive insights into your company's overall financial health? Do you have an easy method to develop customized dashboards and reports? Do you have specialized knowledge and staff to leverage data modeling and build strong insights? Do you get intelligent insights and reports that aid you in better decision making? If you answered no to any of these questions, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Avanade Advanced Business Insights, AABI, the perfect solution for you, the end user. It utilizes Dynamics 365 finance and supply chain data and any other data that you may want to incorporate and provides quick, actionable insights. It is built on a scalable Azure data platform fabric and utilizes the latest Microsoft technologies, including Azure Synapse Link for Dataverse and Fabric. It transforms and interprets the raw data to generate meaningful business insights. With AABI, you can build your own reports without advanced modeling capabilities. You are armed with precise insights about your business. You can experience the transformative power of your data with data-driven decision-making. This, along with detailed documentation, will speed up the learning and understanding of AABI. Here we see the technical architecture. AABI brings together Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain data, Microsoft OneLake, and Microsoft Fabric. AABI is built on a scalable Azure platform with a predefined data model. This ensures that the data platform will scale up as your business grows, and the accelerator can be configured in just a couple of days, saving you time and money. This is the Power BI interface of the Avanade Advanced Business Insights AABI. We are specifically viewing the General Ledger Analysis dashboard. The user can access a variety of meaningful insights regarding the business unit, such as revenue, expense, equity, liability, assets, etc. We now see the various categories under trial balance and a drill down of the various transactions. There are numerous templates provided so users can create their own report. Additional data models, including commerce, supply chain, manufacturing, are there in our roadmap, and design build is underway as we speak. Here we see the documentation tab that gives us information about the artifacts used for creating the data model. We can see the various tables and columns that make up the model. We can also see the hierarchies and measures that are predefined. We also see here the relationships defined between the tables of the data model. Users can build visuals very easily.
They need to add a new page and select the relevant fields. There are options to represent the data in the form of a chart visual or a table visual. Users can also format the same using the various options.
Sample reports, documentation, and templates are provided to empower the users so users can themselves generate their own report. This generated Power BI report will aid him in further decision making for the business. AI/BI enables you to unlock the power of your own data. As a business user, you have access to your company's Dynamics 365 finance and supply chain data to do a thorough deep dive and obtain an in-depth analysis on financial insights. That means you can now make data-driven and informed business decisions in near real time, which helps you remain agile and predict the future.
So, who is AI/BI most beneficial for? 1. You're already using Dynamics 365 finance and supply chain. 2. You're currently thinking of migrating to Dynamics 365 finance and supply chain. So enhance the return on your investment by adding the accelerator AI/BI and lay the foundations for a scalable Azure data platform. Avanade Advanced Business Insights for data-driven decision making.